Chapter 17 Clasiuse, Nile River and Ice Age. Savanna grasslands spread encroaching on deserts. The Sahara and Kalahari deserts began to shrink. Transmigration through the Ganges and Canal man came to the mouth of the Clasiuse River, which flows from the southern tip of Africa to the sea. It lived in the stone caves there and hid under the remains of man. Living near Lake Nalubale in the East African mountain range, man spread down the Nile. The Nile River valley was an ideal location for their hunting lifestyle. Thus, the migration led man to inhabit the natural protected areas around the mouth of Nile River. The Nile River ends at the southeast coast of the Mediterranean Sea. The man who made his living by roaming the beaches collected beautiful seashells and pierced them to make necklaces and wear them. The man who loved to migrate turned the caves in the Clasiuse region of Israel on the eastern shore of the Mediterranean Sea into shelters 92,000 years ago. The earth began to cool down again. Icebergs were formed again in the Arctic and Antarctic regions. The sea level went down and the scattered small islands connected with each other. Vast amounts of land were exposed to sun, and seeds carried by the wind and animals to the sea floor began to germinate. Plant communities as well as animals spread on the seabed. Meanwhile, the people who came down the Nile River and lived in natural habitats caught and ate animals such as crabs, lobsters, fishes, and oysters in the mangrove areas near the sea. Many generations passed like and gradually they entered the Arabian Peninsula by exploring through fertile areas.